Good morning, children, and welcome to this English literature class. Dear children, today we had our live class, and I explained to you this particular poem, Don't Give Up. So it is on page number 69. Page 69. Now let us read once again this particular poem. Yesterday, I read this particular poem and I introduced and I told you the main summary of the poem to you. Today I am again going to read from the first stanza onwards and I will explain to you line by line once again. See the first stanza. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's good and great is done just by patient trying. My dear children, here in the first stanza, the poet is telling us that when we don't get success, when we don't achieve our aim or goal, we should not cry. We should not think all the time about that particular thing. Rather, what we need to do is that we need to work for it. We need to struggle for it. We need to do hard work for it in order to achieve that particular goal. And therefore, failure is not the end. So the poet says, you see, once again, if you have tried and have not won, we have tried. If you have tried and you did not get the prize or you did not win, you were a failure one. Never stop for crying. Don't stop. You don't stop. Rather, you work for it. In order to win once again, means you have not won in the beginning. Or in other words, I can say it is a failure. You don't think that there is no other way. There is possibility of winning once again or getting prize. For example, getting prize or whatever we can say when we go for any competition and so on. We fail first time, second time. We don't give up. Don't give up, brother. Have patience, have hope, and then you do hard work, you will achieve the goal. You will achieve the goal or aim. And therefore, the poet is saying, never stop for crying. Don't go on crying always, or don't go on thinking that I can do nothing. In other words, don't give up things. Even if you don't achieve in the beginning, don't give up. In other words, try your level best to achieve the goal. Next line. All that's good and great is done just by patient trying. See, the good things we can see. We can see good things, the good and great things. Even we can experience. People say good, it is very good, you have done excellent. You have achieved your goal. You have done marvelous things. You have done great things. Why did you do great things? Or how did you achieve? If you would not have worked hard, you would not have achieved this goal. And therefore, people will say you good or great. Because of your hard work, they will say. So, when we become good or when we achieve our aim or goal, it is only because we have done hard work and we have never given up things. And therefore, all good things and great is done just by patient trying. Here, patient trying is trying again and again. Patient trying. You see, you have to. The perseverance should be there. Patience should be there. You should not give up things. Then only see patient trying. Patient trying, trying again and again. See, trying again and again. As I told you in my live class also, we should not give up things easily. Rather, we need to continuously work for that, and then only we can reach the ultimate goal, or the we can achieve success. All that's good and great is done just by patient trying. So let us see the next stanza, what the poet says. The poet has given an example of bird here. You see, a small bird, though young birds in flying fail, still their wings grow stronger. Though young birds in flying fail, till their wings grow stronger. What happens when the bird or the baby or the small bird is there? This particular small bird cannot fly because there is no proper wings or feathers. We can feathers, and therefore this small baby bird will try to fly, but it will fall down again and again. But the poet says, even if this particular bird, when it has no wing, it is trying to fly, it is falling down, but again it is getting up and trying to fly again. But it is not giving up. Once, twice it tried, it fell down on the ground, but again it is getting up and trying to fly, and therefore ultimately it will get success. So though young birds in flying fail, they don't fail. It is a failure, don't get achievement, or don't success, don't get success, fail, don't get success. In the beginning, they don't get success in the beginning in flying. But the poet says, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. So they can, if they try again and again, they can fly in a better way. So my dear children, the poet wants to say that we should never give up things easily. Even this baby bird is not giving up things easily. It is trying very hard to fly, and then ultimately it will get success. So, like this little bird, we should have great hope, and we need to work hard. Ultimately, we will get our goal. So, my dear children, I will continue the remaining two stanzas in my next class. I end my class here. Thank you very much to everyone.